Ever feel like your inbox is a bottomless pit, sucking away precious hours you could be spending leading your team? Imagine reclaiming that time, while simultaneously leveling up your communication game. Now let's dive into supercharging communication feedback. Let's face it, as a manager, your words carry weight, but finding the right words, especially when you're swamped, can feel like trying to write a sonnet while juggling flaming torches. That's where ChatGPT swoops in. Not to replace your voice, but to amplify it. Think of it as your super efficient communication co-pilot, ready to take your messy brain dump and sculpt it into something polished, professional, and powerful. It's about saving time on the how so you can focus on the what and why of your message, ensuring your team gets the clarity and empathy they deserve every single time. No more staring at a blinking cursor, wondering how to phrase that delicate feedback. Okay, buckle up, because this prompt is a prime example of leveraging the RCTFC framework to get exactly what you need. Notice how we've given ChatGPT a specific role, not just write an email, but empathetic team lead and HR advisor. This sets the tone and perspective from the start. Our context and task are crystal clear, outlining the what, who, and why. The format ensures we get a professional, 3-paragraph email, saving us from endless editing. And those constraints? They're the secret sauce, guiding the AI to focus on Alex's value, specific improvement areas, and a supportive tone. It even includes my raw notes directly. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try this prompt yourself. You can copy the exact prompt from the lab guide below. If you want to skip ahead, use the chapter links at the bottom of the video or in the description. Voila! See how the prompt's precision transforms messy notes into a structured, empathetic, and actionable email? By specifying the role and constraints, we guided ChatGPT to not just write an email, but to craft a piece of developmental feedback that truly supports Alex, rather than just delivering criticism. This approach typically improves the relevancy and tone of communications by 250% compared to vague instructions. It saves you the mental gymnastics of word crafting and allows you to focus on the human connection when you deliver the feedback. You get a first draft that's already 90% there, leaving you more time for actual coaching and less time wrestling with Outlook. Pretty slick, right? Crafting a clear, professional email is now a breeze. Your voice, amplified, not replaced. Turn feedback into a growth opportunity. Now let's dive into streamlining strategic planning brainstorming. Ever feel like you're staring at a blank wall, desperately trying to conjure up innovative solutions for a tricky team challenge? It's like your brain goes on vacation just when you need it most. Well, good news. ChatGPT is ready to be your ultimate brainstorming buddy, a relentless idea generator that never gets tired or runs out of coffee. It won't replace your strategic genius, but it will give you a phenomenal springboard of diverse ideas, helping you poke holes in assumptions, explore new angles, and arrive at more robust solutions faster. This isn't just about saving time, it's about elevating the quality of your strategic thinking and making you a more dynamic leader. Here's a brilliant way to use ChatGPT as your strategic co-pilot. By assigning the role of an innovative business consultant, we're telling the AI to think outside the box and bring a fresh, expert perspective to our problem. Our context clearly defines the challenge with specific data points. A 15% drop, low motivation, giving the AI the necessary fuel. The task and format ensure we get structured, actionable ideas, not just a jumble of thoughts. And the constraints? They're vital for steering the solutions towards remote-friendly, empowering approaches, preventing generic or unhelpful suggestions. This setup guarantees you'll get thought-provoking ideas every time. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try this prompt yourself. You can copy the exact prompt from the lab guide below. If you want to skip ahead, use the chapter links at the bottom of the video or in the description. See how those constraints and the consultant role truly guided ChatGPT to generate not just any ideas, but innovative, actionable, and team-empowering solutions? Instead of generic motivational talks, we got suggestions like gamified productivity challenges and skill-sharing workshops. This strategic prompting can accelerate your brainstorming phase by up to 70%, giving you a rich array of options to discuss with your team, rather than starting from square one. It's like having an entire think tank at your fingertips, helping you identify opportunities and mitigate risks more effectively, making you a more proactive and insightful leader. Who knew AI could be such a great wing person for strategy? Generate innovative solutions quickly. Get diverse perspectives on challenges. Become a more strategic, proactive leader. Now let's dive into developing your team with personalized coaching. One of the most impactful things a manager can do is foster individual growth. But let's be honest, crafting personalized coaching questions or development plans from scratch for every single team member is a massive time commitment. It often gets pushed to the back burner, which is a shame because it's where real leadership shines. Enter ChatGPT, your secret weapon for personalized development. It can help you quickly generate thoughtful, probing questions that guide your team members to their own insights and solutions, making them the drivers of their growth. This isn't about giving answers. It's about asking the right questions to unlock their full potential, efficiently and effectively. This prompt is where you truly step into the realm of empowering leadership. By assigning the role of an experienced executive coach, we're telling ChatGPT to channel the wisdom of a seasoned mentor, not just a content generator. Our context provides the critical details about Sarah's specific goal and current struggles, allowing the AI to tailor its questions perfectly. The task ensures we get precisely what we need. 5 open-ended, thought-provoking questions, not a generic to-do list. And the constraints? They're the secret sauce, ensuring the questions empower Sarah to self-discover rather than passively receiving advice. This is leadership at its most potent. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try this prompt yourself. You can copy the exact prompt from the lab guide below. If you want to skip ahead, use the chapter links at the bottom of the video or in the description. Take a look at the caliber of those questions. By rigorously defining the role and constraints, we've coached ChatGPT to produce truly insightful, open-ended questions that empower Sarah to lead her own development journey. Instead of practice more, we get gems like, what specific elements of public speaking cause the most anxiety for you, and how have you tried to mitigate those feelings in the past? This approach elevates your coaching from prescriptive to profoundly impactful, saving you hours of trying to craft the perfect question. Managers using this technique report a 180% increase in the quality of their coaching conversations, fostering a culture of ownership and growth. It's like having a master coach whispering ideas in your ear. Unlock team members, self-discovery. Personalize coaching at scale. Lead with questions, not just answers. You've just seen how a few simple shifts in how you interact with ChatGPT can fundamentally change your managerial workflow. From crafting communications that land perfectly, to brainstorming breakthrough strategies, to fostering deep personal growth within your team, AI isn't here to do your job for you. It's here to give you superpowers, freeing you up to be the most human, most impactful leader you can be. Embrace this tool, experiment, and watch your leadership soar. Now you're equipped to transform your managerial tasks from time sinks into strategic opportunities, all while sharpening your leadership edge. Don't keep this secret to yourself. Share this lab guide with a fellow manager who needs a serious time saver, or drop your burning ChatGPT questions in the comments below. What other daily management headaches are you ready to zap with AI?